Hi friends, hello everyone. I Muhammad Imtiaz Ahmad from Ahmad Construction India Add Building in Your Life. Today I came with another topic. Today's topic is how to do analysis cement, fine aggregate means sand, coarse aggregate means 20 mm metal. How to do analysis cement, sand and coarse aggregate in slab. I explain you. Before that, please subscribe my channel, like and share.
Quantity of material like cement, sand and coarse aggregate required for slab. So watch the video full and do not forget to like this. Let's start today's discussion. Quantity of material as per slab. We have taken an example. We have slab dimensions. Length of the slab is 25 feet. Width of the slab is 10 feet and height of the slab is 6 inches. The dimensions are seen in this diagram also. The length, width and height of the slab. Specification. Concrete used 1 to 4. Have 1 represent cement, 2 represent fine aggregates means sand, 4 represent coarse aggregate means crushed stone, 20 mm metal. Volume of wet concrete equal to length into width into height. Volume of wet concrete equal to length means 25 feet, height width means 10 feet, height means 0.5 feet. Volume of wet concrete equal to 125 cubic feet. This is the wet volume of concrete, 125 cubic feet. So we want dry volume of concrete equal to dry volume of concrete equal to wet volume into 1.54. Dry volume of concrete equal to 125 cubic feet into 1.54. After simple calculation, dry volume of concrete equal to 192.5 cubic feet. Now this is the dry volume of material required for this slab. Now we need to the ratio of concrete. Have the ratio 1:2:4. Sum of ratio equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 equal to 7. Now we can calculate volume of material equal to ratio of material into total volume of concrete divided by sum of ratio. Now first we define quantity of cement. Dry volume of concrete equal to 192.5 cubic feet. Sum of ratio equal to 7. Volume of cement equal to 1 defined cement into 192.5 divided by 7. Now we have simple calculation. Volume of cement equal to 27.5 cubic feet. Generally, the cement is obtained in bags. The quantity of one cement bag is 1.25 cubic feet. It is standard. Number of cement bags equal to 27.5 divided by 1.25 means 22 bags. We get number of bags equal to 22 bags. Now we will define the volume of sand or fine aggregate. We will use same method for calculation of cement quantity, but just we will change the content of cement is 1, the fine aggregate is 2. Volume of sand equal to 2 into 192.5 divided by 7 cubic feet. Volume of sand equal to 55 cubic feet. Volume of concrete coarse aggregate. Now we will define same method for coarse aggregate. Volume of coarse aggregate equal to 4 into 192.5 divided by 7 cubic feet equal to
110 cubic feet.
Thank you friend. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.